There are 183 homes for sale in all of the Annapolis zip codes with a median sales price of $577,450 and 35 days on the market, which is up from 20 days. It's Friday, August 20th, 2021. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report. Annapolis inventory is consistent with what is expected for this time of year, but the sales prices have shifted to higher brackets, and there are actually more homes listed for sale over $1 million than in the normal price points. There are 24 homes priced under $300,000. 21 homes available up to $400,000, 31 homes priced up to $500,000, 20 homes for sale up to $600,000, 20 homes available up to $700,000, 16 homes for sale up to $800,000, 7 listed under $900,000, and 31 are priced over $1 million. Since last week's report, 26 homes went under contract, 23 homes moved to pending, and 29 homes sold at an average of 99.5% list to sale ratio, meaning that sellers netted 99.5% of what they were asking. This is down from the recent trend of being over 100%, but it's still a very strong return. Rentals are down to only 18 and up to a median price of $31.23 per month. To qualify for this rental price, the household would need to bring in approximately $132,000 per year, with the median household income of Annapolis just over $85,000. There is a big disparity in affordability for rentals. A teacher in Annapolis earns on average just under $75,000 per year. The average pay for the Annapolis firefighter is about $47,000. A registered nurse earns about $70,000, and those in retail, hospitality, and restaurants earn under $50,000 per year. Based on the median rental price, unless a dual income earner exists or shared housing is utilized, none of these professions who serve us here in the Annapolis area can actually afford to rent here and live here. Fortunately, all of these workers can still purchase a home that would equate to a mortgage half of this median rent, as long as inventory and these sales prices continue to come to the market. That's your Annapolis snapshot for Friday, August 20th, 2021. Thanks so much for tuning in. Join me next week for another update and subscribe for new content. Be cool for another hot weekend. Take care.